Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can get the Heterochromia eyes on Just to Impress. It is a new eye in the custom makeup, and I don't know why they hid it at the very bottom. But as you can see, you cannot find it here. You need to scroll to the very bottom and you'll be able to see this eye. So you can select different color for the eyes. Okay, so for instance, I want the first eye color to be brown and then the second one to be blue. I can set it like that. But that's pretty much where you can find it. As you can see, I have now two different, well, this model has now different colored eyes, which I think is so cool. But yeah, that is how you can get the Heterochromia eyes. It is at the very bottom. Don't miss that. I don't know why they put it there in the new update because it is a new item, but it's there. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!